Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a balayage step-by-step tutorial, and I am not doing it from bleached hair. I already have a balayage, but my hair grew out and the older color faded out, so I'm going to be redoing it. So my balayage will be a bit lower, but if you're doing it from bleached hair, I would recommend to do it a bit shorter, about 2 inches, I would say, like this. Not how I'm gonna be doing all the way a bit lower, because I'm gonna be doing lower because as my hair grew out, that's where it is, and that's what I'm gonna color. So let's get started. This is what you will need: 2 brushes, a bowl, a scale, Vaseline, your hair choice color, either cream or liquid, developer, clips to part your hair, gloves, and a comb. So this color is 2 part developer and 1 part color, so 1:2 ratio. Some are 1:1 ratio, and this one is 1:2 ratio. For the volume of the developer, if you're doing it on top of natural hair, how I am, I'm going to be using a 30, a stronger developer. If you're doing it on top of bleached hair, you can go lower to a 20 or even a 10. Now I'll turn on my scale, put it to 0. I'm doing ounces because that is the ratio that we are going to be going. I put the bowl, I put on 0, and now I will be putting 2 ounces of 30 volume developer. There you go, 2 ounces. Now I'm gonna put on 0 again, and I'm gonna put 1 ounce of the cream color. Put on your gloves, and now we are gonna mix the colors, the developer and the color. Now let's mix it. Now you will be splitting your hair in half, which I have, but I'm gonna try and make it more straighter. And you split it all the way down. And you have your hair split. Brush your hair out. We are going to take the color and start coloring all the way around, but we need Vaseline. Take some Vaseline and put it all the way around so you don't get any paint. All around by the hairline. Alrighty. So we can do the outer edge first. And to the middle, all the way to the back. And you feel it, and you go all the way back just on your roots in the middle. Now what we're going to do is we are going to do pieces, and I will show you right here. So grab this piece, a little divide, and just do it like this. Pull this back, and now we're going to color. So we're going to be doing down strips and kind of going down. Color this side from the root a little bit down, and this from the root up a little bit. So it'll look like your roots. Now we take this piece, take another piece, pull this piece where we colored right here and over on top, and we colored this piece and the back piece, and how far you want to go. Not too far down, just see kind of like how it is a little. over. Now we're gonna do the bottom over here. So now that we're gonna do the other side, I will try and show you guys best and better. So now we're gonna do the edge around the ear and just to here. There, I kind of touched it up just to get that place a little bit dark so it looks like it's your roots. So now what we do is just split a couple of them. It doesn't matter how, it's just not too thin, not too thick. So you take this, you pull it back, and you color. Now you pull this front and you color the roots. From this side. And you go down kind of sideways a little. Here shorter, towards the bottom a little longer. And you pull this back. So whatever you pull back, you kind of color that into. So now you have this side and this side. Now you take this part and you divide it. So this side you have already colored. I'm gonna add just a teeny bit more. And now you bring it over back this way to the front. And you color the top. I hope you guys kind of get what I'm trying to explain. So now I'm gonna color this back. Now again, I'm gonna take that strip and bring it over to the front, so I can get a good look at it and color the top of it. Color the back. Now, we take this piece that we have, the last piece. I didn't get all the way. If you missed the piece, just bring it up. It's kind of hard to see in the very back. And now you bring it over to the front like this. So you can color this part. just take it over and color. See the middle right here? And you kind of bring it. Feeling the, just kind of tap it over. So the color kind of gets everywhere. And we'll put a 30-minute timer. Gosh, got a little bit on the hair, did not want. Let's go wash it out. And 30-minute timer. And 30 minutes have passed, so let's go wash our hair. I washed my hair and now let's go and dry it and see how it turned out. So here is the finished results. I love how it turned out. It's just exactly how I wanted. Looks like your roots are all growing out and yeah. I split it back in half, or however you like it, to the side. Got that. Yep, so hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I hope everything was understandable. And it's really easy, hands-free, like you don't have to use foil, or it doesn't take a long time. Once you get a hang of it, it takes really fast. The first time it took me a while. I would have to be very, very slow and careful, but I'll just kind of try to re-say it really quick. Right now I have a little bit of a spot. Should have put a little bit more Vaseline, but when you split it, you literally just take a front piece, you know, color in the back, color this split. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys liked this video, and I loved how the hair turned out. And yeah, I hope your hair turns out great too.